The Komatsu PC1250 is a world-renowned 118-ton class mega mining hydraulic excavator widely trusted across the top 10 mining nations, including Australia, the United States, Chile, South Africa, Canada, Russia, Indonesia, India, Brazil, and Peru for its exceptional digging power, structural durability, and high fuel efficiency in demanding open-pit coal, copper, gold, iron ore, and platinum mining operations. At the core of this massive earth mover is the heavy-duty Komatsu HD785 diesel engine, a 23.1 5-liter six-cylinder, inline, turbocharged, an air-to-air aftercooled power plant that delivers 677 net horsepower, 502 kilowatts at 1,800 RPM under ISO 9249 and SAE J1349 standards, utilizing a high-pressure common rail HPCR electronic fuel injection system to ensure precise fuel atomization, lower emissions, maximum fuel economy, and an operational lifespan exceeding 30,000 hours without a major overhaul. To convert engine energy into brute digging force, Komatsu equips the PC1250 with its advanced Hydromend Open Center Load Sensing System, OLSS, featuring twin variable displacement axial piston pumps that deliver a total hydraulic oil flow of 988 liters per minute, 2 by 494 liters per minute, alongside a dedicated pilot pump, operating at a standard relief pressure of 34.3 megapascals, $350 text kilogram per centimeter, which can be instantly boosted to 37.3 megapascals, $380 text kilogram per centimeter, $2, using the touch-activated Power Max mode for an additional 8.5% breakout force when cutting through solid rock or frozen overburden. The hydraulic system offers 3 operational modes: power mode for maximum production speed, economy mode for light digging with up to 10% fuel savings, and heavy lift mode for enhanced boom lifting capacity, paired with the hydraulically driven, temperature-dependent variable speed cooling effect, prevents engine power loss and eliminates overheating risks in ambient site temperatures exceeding plus 50 degrees Celsius. The machine is available in 2 primary configurations: the standard PC1250-8, featuring a 9.1 meter boom, a 4.5 meter or 5.7 meter arm, and bucket capacities from 3.4 to 5.0 MA for a maximum reach of 15.35 meters and digging depth of 9.35 meters. And the Heavy Rock PC125 OSP8 Super Power model, equipped with a short, ultra-reinforced 7.8 meter boom, 3.4 meter arm, and bucket capacities up to 6.7 MA, generating an immense 570 kilonewtons of bucket breakout force and 470 kilonewtons of arm crowd force. To ensure rock-solid stability across harsh terrain, the 118-ton excavator features a heavy-duty variable gauge X-frame chassis with an operating weight ranging from 115,900 kilograms to 118,000 kilograms, extending its track gauge from a 3,300 millimeters transport width to 3,900 millimeters during operation, supported by 925 millimeters ground clearance, heat-treated alloy track shoes, sealed and lubricated tracks, SALT, that reduce internal pin wear by 30%, and a low ground bearing pressure of $1.38 text kilogram per centimeter, $2. Driven by dual axial piston swing motors and planetary gear reduction, it delivers a smooth 5.5 RPM swing speed with high torque, while its automatic 2-speed travel motors provide a top speed of 3.2 kilometers per hour and 70% gradability, allowing it to efficiently load 100-ton class haul trucks like the Komatsu HD785 or Caterpillar 777 in just 3 to 4 fast passes, with cycle times under 25 seconds. Operator safety and comfort are maintained inside the effortless Level 2 and ROPS certified space cab, which uses multi-layer viscous mounts to absorb 60% of ground vibrations, keeps internal noise down to an ultra-quiet 73 decibels. Features positive cab pressure air conditioning to seal out harmful dust, and utilizes ergonomic proportional pressure control, PPC, joysticks alongside a 7-inch TFT color screen. Furthermore, the machine features a 1,350-liter fuel tank, auto-greasing system, fast fueling port, and satellite-connected Comtrax Plus telemetry that transmits real-time diagnostics on fuel burn, oil pressure, and component health to significantly reduce unplanned job site downtime by up to 40%.